In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly clean up a messy Microsoft Word document using smart formatting, review, and style hacks. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with the fastest ways to remove unwanted formatting so your text looks consistent. When a chunk of text has random bold, color, or font changes, select it and press Ctrl plus spacebar. That clears manual character formatting and snaps the text back to whatever paragraph style is applied underneath. If things are really tangled and you want to strip everything to plain text, select the content and click Clear All Formatting on the Home tab, the button with the A in pink eraser. Just know this also removes the paragraph style, so use it when you truly want a clean slate. Whenever you paste from the web or another file, use Ctrl-Shift-V to paste without formatting. It instantly matches your destination document and saves you from cleanup later. If you can't tell where rogue formatting is coming from, open the Styles pane on the Home tab and click the Style Inspector, the magnifying glass icon. It shows exactly which styles and manual tweaks are on the selected text, so you know what to remove or reapply. Next, tidy up tracked changes and version differences. If you're ready to finalize a document full of markup, go to the Review tab, open the Accept drop-down, and choose Accept All Changes in Document. This clears the clutter in one step. Comparing two versions? Use Review, then Compare, and Word will create a third document that highlights every difference so you can review efficiently. To spot hidden spacing issues, press Ctrl-Shift-8 or click the Paragraph Mark button on the Home tab. Non-printing characters appear, letting you see extra spaces, tabs, and hard returns that throw layouts off. Now standardize layout and structure. Press Ctrl-H to open Find and Replace. In the Find field, type $P to locate double paragraph returns, and replace with $P to make them single. To squash multiple spaces or tabs into one space, find $W and replace with a single space. When you've got a paragraph formatted perfectly but the wrong style applied, right-click the correct style in the Styles pane and choose Update Style to match selection. Instantly, that style updates everywhere, bringing your document into alignment. Finally, run a quick quality check. Go to File, Info, Check for Issues, and select Check Accessibility. Word flags things like missing image descriptions or low contrast text, helping you deliver a document that's clean, consistent, and usable for everyone. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.